Hey guys and girls! In this video we're going to take a look at the best Nintendo Switch accessories. I made this list based on my personal opinion and tons of research, and have listed them based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best products money can buy, we'll have the products for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the Nintendo Switch accessories in the video, just subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell, and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best Nintendo Switch accessories on the market right now. Coming at number 10, we've got the Jettech protective case. One of the most annoying parts about the Switch is that it's uncomfortable to hold. This case gives you a much better ergonomic experience, all the while adding an extra layer of protection on your console. It's made from a flexible plastic that's easy to grip and feels good in your hands. The case comes in black, blue, green, and pink colors. It even has a stand for those times when you'd rather play with a wireless controller instead. Number 9. 8BitsDo Wireless Bluetooth Adapter. This nifty USB adapter lets you wirelessly connect a PlayStation 4 or Xbox One controller to use it with your Nintendo Switch. So instead of shelling out $70 for a Pro controller from Nintendo, you can make use of your existing controller. PC gamers can also use the adapter to pair a PlayStation 4 or Xbox One controller to their gaming PC. Definitely a no-brainer for gamers. Coming in at number 8, PowerA Wireless GameCube Style Controller. Although this controller doesn't feel as heavy as the original GameCube's controller, the shape and look of it are nearly identical, and it is still comfortable to hold. This controller lacks vibration, and there's no NFC chip for reading Amiibo either. Although we would have liked to see a rechargeable battery, this one is powered by two AA's, which are included, but we're still thankful that it's completely wireless. It pairs to your Switch instantly, is a near-perfect GameCube controller replica, and isn't too expensive. Coming at number 7, PowerA Nintendo Switch Hybrid Cover. If you don't want to lug your Switch in a hard carrying case that takes up a ton of room in your backpack, consider this protective cover from PowerA. It's thin and not as bulky as most other carrying cases, but still gives your console some protection from getting scuffed up in your backpack. It has a magnetic design, and it even comes with a screen protector. Number 6. Adonit Mark Stylus Pen. If you're addicted to Super Mario Maker 2, you absolutely need this stylus. It'll definitely come in handy when you're crafting new levels. We don't know why Nintendo has never released an official one in the US, but at least this one costs less than $10. Coming in at number 5, Hoary Nintendo Switch SplitPad Pro Controller. For those in search of a pair of controllers that offer more substance and better ergonomics than the Nintendo Switch's Joy-Cons, look no further. The SplitPad Pro slides right where your Joy-Cons normally go, but its wider form factor is much more suitable for larger hands. Unfortunately, the controller doesn't have an internal battery, so it causes slight battery drain on your console. It also lacks motion controls, vibration, and NFC for scanning Amiibos. What it does offer is unrivaled comfort, less hand cramps, and improved analog sticks. There's even turbo functionality and customizable buttons on the back, which will come in handy for action games like Daemon X Machina. Coming at number 4, Anker PowerPoint with 1 PD and 4 PIQ. This powerful charger from Anker is capable of simultaneously charging your Nintendo Switch, a Pro controller, and your smartphone at full speed, with 2 ports to spare. It has 5 ports in total, 1 USB-C PD port for fast charging, and 4 PowerIQ ports that boast charging speeds up to 2.4A per port, plus a power cord that's 5 feet long. Number 3. 8BitsDo SN30 Pro Plus Controller. If you're looking for a D-pad to play retro NES and SNES titles, 8BitsDo's SN30 Pro has your back. This controller is lighter and offers longer handles than the official Pro controller, but it still feels solid and is comfortable to use. We appreciate its rechargeable battery and are happy to report that it supports motion controls and vibration, a rarity among third-party controllers. If you don't want to spend as much, consider the less grippy SN30 Pro instead. Coming at number 2, PowerA JoyCon and Pro Controller Charging Dock. Compared to most other Nintendo Switch Joy-Con stands, this charging dock charges 2 Joy-Con and your Pro controller. The others only charge 4 Joy-Cons. You may want to pick up both, depending on how many controllers you have. This one is equipped with 2 LEDs that illuminate red when your controllers are juicing up. They'll turn green when everything is fully charged. Number 1. SteelSeries Arctis One Wireless Gaming Headset. The Arctis One wireless gaming headset is lightweight, comfortable, and relatively portable. Plus, it's nice looking and quite affordable. Better yet, it's one of the few headsets that stream lag-free audio to the Switch. Pretty much every other headset for the Switch is wired. This one comes with a handy USB-C receiver that, when plugged into the bottom of your console, can stream audio wirelessly to your ears. It also works with voice chatting. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best Nintendo Switch accessories. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favourite one. And if you liked this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace!